Between yin and yang, a gap exists, a void through which the qi, the ideogram for vital breath translated as breath or energy, can flow, thus establishing the three. Incarnation, mediation, and vital dynamics require the presence of the triad, usually represented as heaven, man, earth, which appears in all traditional cultures. The Guanzi 41 says, 1. The foundations, 2. The means, 3. Complete power. Chinese tradition also classifies the three primordial and material structures that border on the anterior heaven. Therefore, the immaterial substrates that make up a being were called the three treasures: Shen, or spirit, linked to heaven; Qi, or energy, associated with man or human; and Jing, or essence, linked to earth. Other examples of manifestations reflected in the three in humans would be spatial: head, heaven; body, human; limbs, earth; embryological: ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm; energetic: yuanqi, zongqi, jingqi; and spiritual: the upper, middle, and lower cinnabar fields. Between Du and Renmai is Chongmai, reflecting the inner power of man. In the body, the regions involved in nourishing the being are also three: the upper jiao, the middle jiao, and the lower jiao. The upper jiao spans from the diaphragm to the vertex. This territory receives air, food, and influences from above, the shen, and from the chest it distributes them throughout the body. The middle jiao, from the diaphragm to the navel, extracts the essences of what is acquired, qi, hosting internal metabolization processes. Finally, the lower jiao, from the navel down, controls the elimination processes, storing essence, jing, and organizing the whole. Here you can clearly see two of the characteristics of Chinese medicine that diverge completely from our Western view: the assumption of the importance of the origin in the human being, in their development, and the overlap of psychic, functional, and somatic levels in all processes related to the individual. And now we reach number 4. The 4, Si, can be represented as a square and culminates a reference where the appearance of life is required, which will emerge at 5, a number representing central organization. That's why there are 4 cardinal points: north, south, east, west; 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, winter; 4 organic components: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. There are also 4 the elements on which the matter is based: heaven, earth, water, fire, as well as 4 realms in which it can manifest: mineral, plant, animal, human. All this just to name some examples that illustrate this conceptual organization. And this is also why the 4 members of the first group of Qing Pamai, or extraordinary meridians, specifically the first 4, the primary ones which are associated with the trunk, are responsible for establishing the conditions for the emergence of life in a being. This group of 4 meridians also being heavily involved in the physiology of gestation.